And
I just want a bowl of soup with lots of vegetables and a bit of chicken in it or fish.
grilled chicken ramen,
Ooh,
or
nice.
beef, prawns, or veggie.
What is it?
There's beef ramen, chicken ramen, prawns ramen, and veggie ramen. A mix of fresh vegetables and vegetarian broth. You can do that online.
Airport protocol to arrive 3 hours before your departure schedule. Proceed to the self-service baggage drop-off counter and follow the instructions from the monitor. Place one bag on the belt, scan your boarding pass, peel off and stick onto your baggage.
Name tag printed after bag drop. Yep. And the instruction here is just peel it and then stick.
After all that instructions have been followed, your bag will start moving, and then you can claim your printed tag after the bag drop.
This one is claim tag. That's it.
And luggage, no.
Early humans loved to travel around the globe, to be able to adapt the new surroundings and to see the people living in it. Fast forward to the 20th century, we're still exploring the beauty of each places, like in Eindhoven in the Netherlands. As we finish our journey to this place, we learned the new developed technology that our founding fathers gave us to have a better life not only for us, but also for our generations to come. We also learned the history of St. Catherine Church, that through the years we still value the remains of the early people in the 15th and the 19th century and appreciate their simple and yet spectacular lifestyle. We also experience the new innovation when it comes to entertainment experience with the 4D and 3D cinema. You have to present your QR code indicating that you're fully vaccinated from the coronavirus upon boarding the aircraft. And walk through the fence gate towards your aircraft. Watch your step heading up to the door. And finally, find your designated seat number and enjoy the ride.
De la pequeña